Get on the other side of this box, like right here. Like right. Still like right here.
Watch out! There's a person in that house right there. Oh, fuck him out. I don't know how that happened.
Oh, you're out now.
They got this. No, they're in that house right there to the left. That's why.
Watch your left.
Out.
Right side. Third building back. Two in the front, right here, second house, window. You got two in the middle here, moving up. Helicopter! One moved up on the left. Watch yourself. Get clear, let him walk, let him walk. Oh shoot. You're out! You're out!
That was awesome.
I was coming after you!
I know!
But you were out by the time I got there.
Is that where I got you right there?
Oh.
Oh yeah, that's right.
You got me.
That's cool.
Dude. I felt something here, looked down, didn't see anything. I got spray here.
Well, maybe that's what it was then.
This gun's not working.
I was going to ask you if that gun's working, because mine doesn't.
Which one, the Metadyne?
Yeah.
It does.
I'm about to check mine.
It's not working right now. Oh.